February so far in 4 photos Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral add your sticker and where you can find it. So first of all, you have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. From here, you will have to go to February add yours at highlights, which is here. And if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now click on the add yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a tutorial right down below in the description box. So make sure to click on that if you have problems with the add yours button. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo from your February so far in 4 photos. So first I will go with this one. Now to add a second photo, you have to place your first photo to the top or where you want. You can put it down or where you want, make it bigger or smaller by using your 2 fingers. You have to zoom out and zoom in. Now to add your second photo, you have to click on stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you once again to your gallery. And then you have to follow the same steps for your third and fourth photo. I will leave it just with one right now for the tutorial, and after that you just have to share this story with your friends. Guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can turn on the notification bell because I will post more videos like this soon. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.